If you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in Valorant, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to help speed up the loading process. Step 1. Restart your computer. Shut down your computer completely and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary files and processes that may be causing the loading issue. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. You can do this by running a speed test or restarting your router. A strong connection is essential for smooth gameplay. Step 3. Update Valorant. Make sure that you have the latest version of Valorant installed. Open the Riot client and check for any available updates. Installing updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings. Launch Valorant, go to the settings menu, and reduce the graphics quality. This can help improve loading times, especially on lower-end systems. Step 5. Repair game files. Use the Riot client to repair any corrupted game files. Open the client, go to the Valorant tab, and select the option to repair the game. This can resolve issues that may be causing the loading screen to hang. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in Valorant. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Riot Games support for further assistance.